Maintaining a well-manicured lawn and garden requires the right tools, and cordless grass shears are a game-changer for any gardener. These tools make it easy to trim grass, shape hedges, and tackle those hard-to-reach areas that larger tools can't handle. In this video, we will explore the best cordless grass shears on the market, highlighting their unique features and benefits to help you find the perfect tool for your gardening needs. Number 1. WORKPRO W159011AE Cordless Grass Shears. The WORKPRO W159011AE Cordless Grass Shears is a user-friendly tool, perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. With a powerful motor and lightweight design, these shears make trimming tasks easy and efficient. The convenient USB-C charging and dual-lock safety features enhance usability and safety, making them an excellent choice for maintaining your garden. Key features: efficient cutting for grass and hedges. Weighs only 0.82 pounds for easy one-handed use. Convenient and versatile charging options. Provides precise trimming for lawn edges and small shrubs. Ensures safe operation and prevents accidents. Number 2. Makita XMU04ZX Cordless Grass Shears. The Makita XMU04ZX cordless grass shears are built for high performance, offering up to 3 hours of run time and a powerful motor that delivers efficient cutting. With a 2-in-1 blade change feature, these shears easily switch between grass shearing and hedge trimming, making them a versatile tool for any garden. The adjustable cutting height and dual cutting action ensure precision and efficiency in every trim. Key features: up to 3 hours with an 18-volt LXD5 ampere-hour battery. Delivers up to 2,500 SPM for efficient cutting. Quick switch between grass shear and hedge trimmer. 3-stage adjustment for precise trimming. 6 to 5 by 16-inch shear blade for maximum efficiency. Number 3. SnapFresh BBT-GT03 Cordless Grass Shears. The SnapFresh BBT-GT03 cordless grass shears offer a versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing you to easily switch between grass shearing and bush trimming. With a powerful motor and lightweight ergonomic design, these shears provide efficient cutting and comfortable one-handed operation. The triple safety protection and cordless portability make them a reliable and convenient tool for any yard care enthusiast. Key features: switch between 3.25-inch grass blade and 5.5-inch hedge trimmer blade. Up to 1100 RPM with a 0.31-inch cutting thickness. 3 locks ensure safe operation. Weighs only 1.36 pounds for comfortable one-handed use. Built-in 1500 mAh battery with battery indicator for easy portability. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMC-SS800C1 Cordless Grass Shears. The CRAFTSMAN CMC-SS800C1 cordless grass shears provide reliable power and precise cutting with a versatile 2-in-1 design. The tool easily converts from a hedge trimmer to a grass shear, making it ideal for various garden tasks. With quick blade changes and a high-capacity blade, these shears ensure efficient and accurate trimming. Key features: V20 1.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery for dependable performance. Precision cuts with up to 5 by 16-inch cut depth. 8-inch hedge trimmer and 4-inch grass shear blade. Easily switch between trimming tasks. Number 5. Joe HJ604C Cordless Grass Shears. The Joe HJ604C cordless grass shears are ideal for small gardens and trimming areas that a mower can't reach. This versatile tool easily converts from a grass shear to a hedger, making it a practical choice for various garden tasks. Its lightweight design and rechargeable battery ensure easy handling and hassle-free operation. Key features: quick conversion from grass shear to hedger, 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery for cordless use, only 2.5 pounds for easy handling, provides comfortable control. Number 6. Saker HT01 Cordless Grass Shears. The Saker HT01 Cordless Grass Shears offer versatility and convenience with a 2-in-1 design that easily switches between grass shearing and hedge trimming. With an adjustable head, powerful motor, and safety features, this tool is perfect for maintaining a beautiful lawn and garden. The rechargeable battery and cordless design provide flexibility and ease of use for any gardening task. Key features: quick switch between grass shear and hedge trimmer, 3 angles for flexible cutting, 1200 RPM for efficient trimming, blade guards and double safety lock to prevent accidents, 20 volts lithium battery with 60 minutes of runtime. Number 7. WORX WG801 Cordless Grass Shears. The WORX WG801 Cordless Grass Shears provide effortless trimming with dual-action blades for smooth, sharp cuts. This versatile 2-in-1 tool features interchangeable blades for grass and shrubs, making it perfect for maintaining clean and well-groomed gardens. With an ergonomic grip and easy blade changes, it is designed for comfort and efficiency. Key features: ensure smooth and sharp cuts, includes 4-inch grass shear blade and 8-inch shrubbery blade, compatible with 75 plus WORX 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volts tools. Reduces hand fatigue with a rubber overmold handle, easy and fast blade swapping. Number 8. New Master NGS2072 Cordless Grass Shears. The new Master NGS2072 Cordless Grass Shears offer a convenient 2-in-1 design, allowing you to easily switch between grass shearing and hedge trimming. With a powerful motor and lightweight design, these shears provide efficient cutting and comfortable one-handed operation. The built-in 2,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use without the hassle of cords. Key features: includes 3.25-inch grass blade and 5.5-inch hedge trimmer blade, 1100 RPM for efficient pruning, 3 locks to prevent accidental use, weighs only 1.74 pounds with an ergonomic grip, 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery with indicator. Number 9. Greenworks SH24B1510 Cordless Grass Shears. The Greenworks SH24B1510 Cordless Grass Shears deliver powerful performance with a 24 volts lithium-ion battery that powers over 75 tools in the Powerall system. Featuring a 2-in-1 design with tool-less blade changes, these shears are ideal for versatile gardening tasks, from precision grass trimming to detailed shrub pruning. The built-in USB port adds convenience by charging your portable devices on the go. Key features: 24 volts battery powers 75 plus tools with 20% more power. Includes 6-inch grass shear blade and 8.5-inch shrubber blade. Easy transition between blades. Up to 2,500 SPM for fast cutting. Battery doubles as a 9,000 mAh power bank. Number 10. SOYUS Mini-001 Cordless Grass Shears. The SOYUS Mini-001 Cordless Grass Shears offer a versatile 2-in-1 design, making it easy to switch between grass shearing and hedge trimming. Powered by a 21-volt battery, this tool delivers high performance with strong cutting ability and extended battery life. Its lightweight design, multi-angle cutting head, and double safety switch make it both user-friendly and safe. Key features: switch between grass shear and hedge trimmer with ease. Powered by a 21 volts to 2 ampere-hour battery for strong cutting. Prevents accidental startups. Rotates 90 degrees for flexibility in tight areas. Weighs only 2.4 pounds for easy one-handed use. Thank you for watching our review of the best cordless grass shears on the market. These tools offer the perfect combination of power, versatility, and convenience to help you maintain a beautiful lawn and garden effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and gardening tips. Happy gardening!